iPhones for 6 years now. I've never even owned an Android device until now. Let's see how the Made in Africa Marathon holds up. I got the Marathon Z, silver one, about a month ago. This phone was originally launched in Rwanda in about October last year, and not too long after there was a factory in Durban, the first one in South Africa. And so my particular phone is made in South Africa. I don't know if you can see. The user interface was quite easy to get into. It was pleasant and it was easy to navigate. I especially like the round app icons. It took me a few days to get accustomed to using the Android One user interface. So Android One is close to stock Android, meaning no bloated manufacturer apps or UI skins sitting on top of the Android system. Think Samsung and Huawei will both have UI skins and apps like Samsung Store or Bixby, which is manufacturer specific. So basically I only had to learn Android, and since UIs are so universal these days, it went quicker than I thought it would. Still a few niggles like getting properly acquainted with the settings app, but that usually takes some time. So one UI issue I had was with the way the phone automatically balanced the brightness. It seems a bit dark at times, but what I've done is I've just not let it automatically do it. So I just set it manually. The phone is lighter than my iPhone 8 Plus but has smaller bezels, which makes it the perfect fit for me. It is hardly noticeable in my pocket. The design is sleek and comes with a nice transparent cover, allowing me to see the design. The placement of the rear fingerprint scanner feels more natural than the front one I've been using. The headphones that come with the phone is not great. It's supposed to be Dolby Surround, but I was not impressed. Luckily the Marathon can pair with my AirPods. The response time on this phone is great. I didn't miss the beat transitioning from the iPhone to the Marathon. It's a real gem to use thus far. However, I do think part of what made the transition so easy was the fact that I have been consciously trying to use Google apps like Calendar and Task on my iPhone, knowing that I would be making the transition. All my emails, calendar, notifications and reminders are already synced across the Google Cloud. I played PUBG on the phone and the experience was fantastic. Performance was surprisingly good. I first tried the light option of PUBG, which is a great space saver, but obviously you lose quality as well as options. Since I wanted to test the full capabilities of the phone, I decided to download the full version of PUBG as well. It felt similar to playing on my 8 Plus, though I prefer playing on the bigger screen of the iPad. While not all of us may exactly know what 3000 mAh means, I certainly don't. We all know and feel the dreaded red battery indicator signaling our smartphone may be out of juice soon. Most of us charge our phones at night. When we wake up, expect a fully charged 100% icon to greet us. That is why the most pressing question the average consumer has about battery life is, will it last for the day? Or at least while I'm away from home and need my portable device to be, well, portable. The Marathon sports a 5.7-inch display. I'm very happy with this display. It's actually quite nice. My pictures look good on it. My videos play very well. Games are actually also very well, so it's a very good display. The camera is good, but not great. I feel happy about posting images taken from this camera to social media, but some people may not feel the same way. I'm by no means an expert photographer and understand that there are lots of elements to taking a good picture. So please don't just take my word for it. I'm not a big fan of selfies either, but I did try to take as many as I could in the past week, so that I could properly test the front-facing camera. Both the front and the rear cameras are 13 megapixels. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but it sounds like a lot of pixels. My selfie game was never that good to begin with, but if I play around with the Marathon's portrait mode or face beautifying, I get a nice result. The storage that you get out of the box is 32 gigabytes on the Mara Z, but can be extended with external memory card. However, when you use the external memory card, will take one of the SIM slots, so then the dual SIM capability will not be available. In my opinion, the Marathon Z is a capable device and is perfect for someone like me who has never used an Android phone before. I'm also very proud of owning a device that was made in Africa. So if you want to support African innovation, then this is the device for you. However, the phone does fall short when compared to other devices in the 4,000 rand price range. A MyBroadBand article, which I will link down below, compares the Marathon Z to the Huawei Y7 and the Samsung A30. Still, I'm very excited to see what lies ahead for the Marathon in 2020 and beyond. Thanks for watching.